ticket closers. Today I'd like to talk to you about tonality, how important it is. They say 55% of our influence over other people is put through our body language. It's carried through our body language. 38% through our tonality and 7% through the words that we use. Since we are high ticket closers, you can scrap the first 55%, the body language, because the guy cannot see you. But it's still important, if you make a phone call, for you to be in a good situation. Like, stand up instead of sitting down, be energetic, prepare yourself properly with a gratitude video and motivational things, and then also smile as you make the call. Okay, not laughing, because the guy will think you're laughing at him, but smile. And this is actually very, very important. You have the upper hand because the guy calls you first, so you can hear the pitch of his voice. So in order to establish authority, make your pitch lower, keep it lower. Then as you build rapport, you can soften up, you can change as you come to know which gem type he is. Is he speaking faster, slower, whatever, but keep the authority. When the person speaks to you over the phone, he's immediately assessing your authority, your power, your knowledge. Okay, but he does that by what he hears your voice to be, and that's why you should keep it low. So tonality is not about, it's about how you say what you say. It's not only about what you say. So I hope this helped you. Have a lovely day, and thank you once again to Inner Circle and HTC, and I'll see you soon.